I just need to button that just to cut across the Godrej Consumer press conference. Adi Godrej addressing the media.
The last financial year as well as for the whole year. The fourth quarter, consolidated organic constant currency net sales increased by 12%. India business branded net sales increased by 12%, led by double-digit growth across categories. International business grew by 14% on an organic constant currency basis. Fourth quarter, consolidated organic constant currency EBITDA increased by 15%, driven by a strong growth of 13% in the India business and 20% in the international business. Fourth quarter consolidated net profit plus advertising adjusted for tax increased by 27%. GCPL continues to gain market share across its core categories across geographies. The board has declared an interim dividend of 250%, which is 2 rupees and 50 paise per share. Our performance in the second half of the fiscal year 2015 has been much better than that in the first half. On a constant currency basis, sales in the second half grew by 14%, whereas profit after tax grew by 26%. Our strong performance is on the back of a gradual recovery we are seeing in FMCG growth in India, aided by a continued focus on innovations and brand building, and supported by competitive marketing investments and enhancements in our go-to-market infrastructure. We have continued to consistently grow ahead of the market and have gained share in our core categories. I'll ask our Managing Director, Vivek Gambhir, to give his views.
Thank you, Mr. Godrej. Good morning. As we had projected earlier, our performance in the second half of fiscal year 2015 has been much better than that in the first half. While the environment remains challenging, we are seeing a gradual recovery in the FMCG market in India. We have continued to consistently grow ahead of the market and have gained share in all of our categories. In this quarter, we also increased our marketing investments significantly to prepare for the recovery that we are seeing in the Indian FMCG market. We believe that this investment will strengthen our brands and enable us to drive better growth in the quarters ahead. This quarter also saw strong profit growth. We saw our strongest gross margins in over 3 years. In India, our EBITDA margins were also the highest in over 3 years. Our reported results were, however, impacted by some near-term adverse impacts of currency translation due to the depreciation of several emerging markets' currencies. We have now seen 3 consecutive quarters of improvement in growth rates in the FMCG sector in India. So the demand environment is gradually improving. We remain optimistic that as the economy gains pace this year, FMCG growth this year will be better than that of last year. Overall, we will strive to deliver a better operating performance this year. Thank you.
By asking you about the demand environment. When you say that FY16 will be a better year than what we've seen in this fiscal, I want to talk about the demand environment, keeping in mind the fact that rural demand has actually taken a huge hit, and we're also seeing signs from the Met Department that talks about a below normal monsoon. Do you think, in the light of these developments, we are still looking at a guidance that's perhaps going to be better than the performance?
I'd like to comment on that. I think we should be careful before saying that the rural demand has taken a big hit. It hasn't. We must remember that these are everyday goods. It might take some hit in some parts where rural incomes might be adversely affected, but by and large, although the Met Department has predicted a monsoon which is 92% of normal, a private agency, Skymet, whose predictions last year were more accurate than the Met Department, has predicted 102% rainfall. So we must wait till we actually see the monsoon situation. Of course, these pre-monsoon showers have had some effect, but generally, even in the last quarter, when the pre-monsoon showers had hit the markets, our growth in rural India was higher than our growth in urban India.
Sure.
You want to add something, Vivek?
All right, the management out there just briefing the media on the back of the GCPL numbers that came out yesterday. Stock today also has been having a little bit of a tough session. It's down, 2.2% is what we've been tracking so far. The markets itself have been again a little subdued today. Tata Steel, that's the other one that's been extremely interesting. 1.5% higher is what we're seeing.